Hey y'all, so in this video I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can make strawberry crumble. And then we're going to sprinkle the strawberry crunch over some cupcakes and chocolate covered strawberries. Okay y'all, so this is the ingredients that I'm going to use right here. I got 1 box of strawberry jello, a box of vanilla, and in 2 bowls I'm going to put 1/4 cup of flour. So I already have 1 in here. I'm going to put the other 1/4 in this bowl. Okay, so my butter right here is at room temperature, and I'm going to cut it in half and put 1/2 in each of these bowls. Okay, and my butter is salted. You can use unsalted or salted, whichever that you prefer. So I'm gonna put the strawberry in this bowl, and I'm gonna put the vanilla in this bowl. And your oven should already be preheated to 350. And some people use 1/2 cup of flour. If you want to use that much flour, that's up to you, but I just use 1/4. And this strawberry smells so good. This one takes some time mixing up, so I'm just speed it up. So I'm just gonna do the same thing with the vanilla. Okay y'all, so this is what it looks like after they're both combined all the way. So now I'm gonna take a cookie sheet and I lay some parchment paper down, and I'm gonna just pour the mixture on the cookie sheet. And all I'm gonna do is try to flatten it out because we don't want it to be just one big piece. So I'm gonna spread it out and kind of mash it down a little bit too. And you're gonna bake this for about 7 to 8 minutes. If you bake it any longer than that, you're gonna smell it burning, and if it's burnt, that's it. You might as well start all over. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. My oven's at 350. And I'm gonna keep checking it. I'm gonna check it around 5 minutes and see what it's doing. But other than that, after you put it out the oven, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay y'all, so it's been about 6 minutes and this is what it looks like. And the ones that wasn't on the parchment paper, I can tell those are starting to burn, so I know that this right here is ready. So right now, you can either let it sit and cool off if you want to, but I'm gonna put mine in the freezer and let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna crumble it up. Okay, and the second way that you can make your strawberry crumble is just taking some Oreos. I have 6 Oreos right here, and I'm just gonna take the cream out of all mine. So I got all the cream off my cookies. So the next thing you want to do, if you have a food processor, you can throw them in there. But since I don't have one, I'm just gonna put them in the bag and smash them. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna take the same strawberry jello. I'm gonna add just a couple of teaspoons to it because since I'm not using that many cookies, just to show y'all, that's why I'm just using a little bit. And that's 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And doing it this way, you don't have to put it in the oven. So if it's easier for you to do this, you can do it this way. Some people use strawberry wafers. Some people mix the Oreos with the vanilla and the strawberry jello. It's up to you how you want to make it, but I think my favorite way to make it is the first way that I showed you, and that's mixing it all together and putting it in the oven. This way still tastes good because it's the strawberry jello that makes it taste the way it does. So I'm gonna just put this in the freezer so that it can kind of stiffen up. So in this bowl, I got the strawberry crunch that we made in the oven. I put it in this bowl, so now I'm about to crumble it up. And putting it in the freezer allows all that butter to soak up, so that way it's not greasy anymore. So I'm gonna just crumble this apart. Okay, y'all, so here what the strawberry crumble looks like, the one that we mixed with the flour and put in the oven. I could have crunched it up a little bit more, but for the most part it still came out good. And this is the one that we mixed with the Oreos. And they taste pretty much the same. I mean, like I said, the strawberry jello is what's gonna overpower everything else. So it's all up to you what you wanna use. It probably would be more inexpensive to just buy flour because you get a whole 5-pound bag of flour for what, $2? And regardless, you're gonna have to buy the jello. So it's up to you if you wanna either buy the Oreos or buy the flour. And if you wanna turn the oven on too. But this is what they look like. So now I'm getting ready to dip some stuff. So last night I made some strawberry cupcakes, and all I did was follow the directions on the box. There's nothing special about these cupcakes, so I'm just getting ready to put some cream cheese frosting on them. So now I'm just gonna take a spoon and get some of our strawberry crumble. I would dip it in a strawberry crumble, but I want to put some other stuff in there, so I don't want it to start molding and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna take my spoon and sprinkle it. And there goes my little strawberry crumble crunch cupcakes. Now I got one more thing I want to dip. So I washed up 2 little strawberries. And in here I have some melted chocolate, some melted white chocolate. So I'm just gonna dip my strawberry into the chocolate. Take some more of my strawberry crumble. And there's my 2 strawberries. So y'all, make sure y'all give this video a like and leave a comment down below. Which one would you rather prefer making? The one that you put in the oven or just mushing up the Oreos? Or if you have a different method, let us know in the comments, how do you make yours? Alright y'all, so that's the end of the strawberry crumble recipe. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Bye y'all.